Hey everyone, and welcome to Windows Report, and in this video I'll show you what to do if an extra monitor is not detected on your computer. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to try to reconnect your monitors one by one. Maybe this you find a bit simple, but it's quite effective. So disconnect all your monitors, external ones of course, then connect each one by one and check if the problem still persists. And if this still happens, make sure to change the display settings. To do so, press the Windows button, head over to Settings. Now in here, click on System on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on the Display category. Now in here, scroll down until you find the Multiple Displays section and click on the drop-down menu, and the first thing you can do is click on the Detect button underneath it. This will make sure that it will detect all the displays you have connected to your computer. And if this doesn't work properly, you can also play with the display resolution. Sometimes choosing a different resolution can simply make it work out. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to check for updates. To do so, press the Windows button, head over to Settings, afterwards click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on the Check for Updates button. Now Windows will try to scan for the latest updates, and if it finds any, it will try to download and install them automatically. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to update your graphics card. To do so, right-click the Windows button, head over to Device Manager, and then in here, expand Display Adapters, right-click on the problematic device, and select the Update Driver option. Now click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will try to simply install the best drivers available on your PC. Afterwards, you can simply check if the problem still persists. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.